Are you looking for the best 3D printers for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer is a cutting-edge 3D printing device that boasts advanced features to enhance the user experience. With worry-free auto-leveling, this printer ensures precise and accurate printing by automatically adjusting the bed level, saving users from the hassle of manual calibration. The inclusion of a sprite extruder further contributes to the printer's reliability and performance, offering smooth and consistent filament extrusion. One standout feature of the Ender 3v3 SE is its dual Z-axis configuration, which promotes stability and accuracy in the printing process. This dual-axis setup helps prevent uneven layers and ensures that the printed objects maintain their intended dimensions with high precision. Number 2. Fullsun Used SR Super 3D Printer. The Fullsun Used SR Super 3D Printer, also known as the Fullsun Used SR Super Racer, is a high-performance FDM fused deposition modeling 3D printer designed for enthusiasts and professionals. This printer features a delta design, which is characterized by a triangular arrangement of its three arms, allowing for faster and more precise printing movements. One notable feature of the Fullsun Used SR Super 3D Printer is its removable lattice hotbed. The lattice structure enhances heat distribution and provides a stable printing surface, allowing for better adhesion and easier removal of printed objects. The ability to remove the hotbed facilitates the removal of finished prints with added convenience. Number 3. Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 3D Printer, also known as the Ender 3 Neo, is a popular and versatile 3D printing machine that caters to both beginners and experienced users. This 3D printer is equipped with features that make it stand out in the market. One notable feature is its printing mask resume capability, allowing users to resume printing after a power outage or any unintended interruption. This ensures that your 3D printing projects remain intact and consistent even in the face of unexpected disruptions. The Ender 3 boasts a V-slot profile, a design element that enhances stability and precision during the printing process. This feature contributes to the printer's overall reliability and accuracy in creating 3D models. Number 4. Komgoro T500 3D Printer. The Komgoro T500 3D printer is a significant addition to the world of 3D printing, particularly in the DIY do-it-yourself segment. This large-format FDM fused deposition modeling 3D printer offers users the capability to create substantial and intricate three-dimensional objects with ease. With a substantial printing size of 500 by 500 by 500 mm, it provides a spacious build volume, allowing users to undertake ambitious projects and produce sizable prototypes or finished products. One notable feature of the Komgoro T500 is its implementation of the Clipper firmware, enhancing the printer's performance and precision. Clipper firmware is known for its efficiency in processing complex printing instructions, leading to smoother and more accurate print results. The inclusion of Clipper in the T500 emphasizes its commitment to delivering a high-quality 3D printing experience. Number 5. Creality New Ender 3v3 KE 3D Printer. The Creality New Ender 3v3 KE 3D Printer is an advanced and efficient 3D printing machine that boasts several notable features. One standout characteristic is its impressive printing speed, capable of reaching 500 mm, allowing for faster and more efficient printing processes. The inclusion of a smart Creality OS enhances user experience and control over the printing operations. The printer is equipped with an X-axis linear rail, contributing to smoother and more precise movement during printing. This feature is crucial for achieving high-quality and accurate 3D prints. Additionally, the double fans contribute to effective cooling, ensuring that the printed layers solidify properly and reducing the risk of defects in the final product.